What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your technoboy, and today I'm gonna unbox this Bluetooth speaker from Amazon Basic. As you can see, this is a nice one, kind of different shape as here you can see. So this is not very small, quite big in size, as this from Amazon Basic. So the specs are here, rating 5 volt DC 1 amp, and that's the model number, and made in India, and 2000 mAh of battery capacity. So on this side you can see the price 1999, like 2000, which is pretty huge for this kind of speaker. Even you'll get like JBL Mini Go for less than 2000. So I'm gonna tell you the actual price later. So what you get inside is Bluetooth speaker, charging cable, and user manual, and month and year of manufacturing, February 2025. So this thing is completely made in India product. So now let's open this thing and check out the product. Wow. Well, there it is. A nice blue color, as here at the top you can see the vent is there, the speaker inside of it, quite big in size, I guess 2.75 inch, something like that. As you can see that the diameter is like that, almost 3 inch, close to 3 inch. So there you can see the Amazon Basic branding, nice bluish color, dark blue. And on this side, type C 5 volt charging cable, def cut slot, USB slot, and that's for the light, the whole mini hole, you can see it right here. And the buttons are at the bottom. As you can see, that's a power on off switch, play pause, next, and volume, previous. Oh, I think this one would be next, volume minus, and next, and that would be volume plus, and this must be reverse. This is the forward. Anyway, that's the home button, and at the middle the power button. So now let's turn this thing on and check out the sound. Well, this thing is connected to my mobile right here, and now let's play some songs and check out the sound. So you heard different kind of songs, and I must say about the sound, it's pretty loud and quite clear. But about the bass, according to the size, as you can see it in my hand, quite big in size. But according to the size, the bass is not that much good, because I think this thing doesn't have any, let's say, a pressing port. No port is there, and also no passive radiator, I guess. So that's why bass is not that much there. But depending on the size of the speaker and the design, I was expecting a little more bass from this thing, but bass is not that much good. But overall the sound is very good. It's loud enough and clear. As you heard the vocal in one song, it's very clear. You can clearly understand everything, so you can connect this thing to your mobile phone and you watch some movies or series, something like that, then you're gonna enjoy the sound, of course. So this thing cost me only 800 from Amazon, of course. So this is a pretty good deal for the people who doesn't need much of a bass, who is not into the bass. You can use that. But this is definitely not a choice for bass lovers. But except that, this is a very good speaker for 800, and also comes with 1 year of warranty, so that's nice. And from Amazon, of course, you'll get the warranty from Amazon. So that's it. That's all for today. This was unboxing and testing video of this Amazon basic Bluetooth speaker. And if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And my other channels links are there in the description too. You may check them out. And if you like my contents, you can donate anything to my channel. We'll find the payment links in the description too. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.